నో ఇప్పుడు జగన్ వచ్చినాడు
Guess where are we today? It's summers, it's beautiful, and I'm at this beautiful place. So guys, we came to Blue Mountains, and it is a place you don't have much to see here, but then it's a very serene, calm place where you can just chill out with your family, your friends, and especially kids. And if you have pets, this is one of the very few places in Toronto, in and around Toronto, which is dog friendly, pet friendly in short. You can get your dogs here, your pets here, and every other restaurant has kept dog food and water outside the restaurant. And I'll show you if I see something. Oh, right here. So yes, you can get your dogs here, pets here, and have a good time in short. So we are just going to go and say hello to husband.
What's up? What's up?
So it was a very impromptu plan since it's a long weekend, so we thought why not spend it just roaming around and exploring. We wanted to explore Ontario first before we move out to other provinces. We did go to Montreal last year, but yeah, it's time. So I will take you guys around and stay tuned. Look at my cuties. They are twinning, actually twinning, or whatever you call it.
Babe, bring out the kid in you. Go, go, go. The Simba has too. Oh, there. वो छोटे बच्चे को just sitting down. You can't stand.
Guys, that baby is shorter than the water stream itself. So cute she is.
Let's measure.
Look at her. I guess it's a perfect thing for summer.
For the kids actually, I think they're gonna have a great time. You all have anything to say?
Do you have anything to say?
I have nothing to say.
Okay, bye. Are you sure about it?
I mean,
Alright,
something.
don't worry.
Say something.
Let's think about it.
something,
It's okay.
anything.
No.
Can I dance with him?
Absolutely, man. I think you should probably. You should do that. I am a disco dancer. Din, 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 din.
I am a disco
With that signature step. Yo.
So we're waiting for our food forever. It's literally taking forever. I don't know what is taking them so long. We're starving. Are we starving?
I'm peachy.
What is peachy?
By the
It's a
way,
fruit
by the way,
with
do you
a
wanna,
Y at
hey,
the
do you
end.
want to introduce yourself?
Hi guys.
I am.
Skinny and cute Amari.
Skinny and Cutie Avari. That's a nick.
Cute.
Huh? What cute?
Not cutie.
Skinny and cute? Oh, sorry. Skinny and cute
I
Avari.
accept your apology.
I'm sorry.
Giving people
Keep it on the tab, man.
People have gone crazy because we're starving. Okay, so apparently there is going to be a Bollywood performance here, which is like a surprise for us. I'll hold them. Okay, done. The fruits now. Sure. So we are just going to go grab some seats while we wait for the performance to begin. And yes, definitely I will show you guys. Oh, these guys are here. Let me go. Oh. She's saying yeah, Gemma Bobby. Yeah. Oh man, the chairs are so hard. Oh my, oh no, what did you say? What did you say?
Not hotter than you.
Oh. I have to be very careful and sit down.
I'm having candy.
Super hot. Oh, you're having candies? Enjoy your candies. Oh man. Okay, so I'm gonna reserve these chairs for my sister and my nieces. And God, it's boiling. I might just stand there. It's very hot. You not?
It's sun. Waste yourself from the sun. You hardly get this.
Are you trying to tan yourself?
I am. You have a problem?
I don't have a problem. Might have a problem later.
Hey, Peachy.
Are you peachy? Are you Gucci? So people, when you ask them here how you're feeling, they usually say, I'm peachy. I cannot wait for this performance to begin. Yes, so in short, this is Blue Mountains, and if you guys can see, you can go up this mountain and reach the top. Is it this one? Am I showing them the right thing? Yeah.
Why are we sitting here?
And then you have the rail cars as well that go all the way up. Yeah.
And that's the Bollywood performance, you guys.
We have known the Mendu family forever.
You're getting a laddu? Like what?
There is a long queue
Mera pehla pyar.
that we're going on. Yeah, it's pretty fast, but it's gonna be so exciting. Unfortunately, we will not be allowed to carry our phones, so I will not be able to film them, but it's going to be soon. Yeah, I will see you guys once I'm done with this. So that's a small activity area where you can just take your kids around, and you can as well, I'm not sure if we can go, but yeah, kids can go. Interesting. And you can see some goats grazing there. Those people are done. I'm gonna do that. How excited? It's pretty hot. We're super excited. I'm more scared. They're more excited. What happened?
Exhilarating experience. You're gonna experience 4Gs. 4Gs.
Yeah. Hopefully I won't be scared. Hopefully. Not scared. I'm really very scared in these things, guys. Very scared.
I don't think they can see my expression.
Bye. Wow. Oh. I'm very, very scared. I'm a biggie willy when it comes to these things. I can't help. Well, guys. Your girl did it. Your girl did it. No.
She's back, safe, back in one piece.
Back in one piece, exactly, that's the
Sane.
word. I was really happy that I did it, guys, and I'm really, really, really happy that I did it, baby. Thank you. Okay, to be honest, I did not go full throttle. I definitely did not go on full speed. The highest speed is, I guess, 40 kilometers per hour. I would say I was around 30 or a little less than that because it was my first and I was definitely scared. Next time, Krish, I promise, I'll go with a higher speed. And because of me, this guy right here couldn't go full speed because he was right after me. So, cannot help. We आज थोड़े बहुत वादे कीते सी उन्हें बहुत टाइम सी है ना
Imagine
है
if
ना
you actually
है ना
put
He's so busy, guys.